Here we go. Into a loose signal immediately. Okay, recording at 4K, 4:3 aspect ratio, 30 frames per second, wide angle lens, 1/480th shutter speed, no ND filter. Oh, there you go. It was a nice flight here. We did a couple runs up and down this hill here, but I saw a pretty cool trench over here that we should go check out next. So let's go check it out. Alright, that was an exciting ride. Botched the landing a little bit, but this is the force is a little thicker than I was expecting it to be. Didn't come in at the right spot. It's so hard to find the hole that you came out of when you fly out of tight woods like this. But I think the dive was pretty cool. So, call that a success. Okay guys, so here's the plan. It's a little windy out, so that's not great. The wind is going that way, so we're gonna fly that direction. Hopefully that'll give us the smoothest flight. But the idea is to follow this ridge up, come down through these beautiful little crater rocks here. Watch out for this valley, because if we dip into that, we're gonna lose signal immediately. And then continue to follow this ridge over to this awesome peak with these clouds. And without further ado, I guess let's just get started. Here we go. think that was a good flight, huh?